In front.
I probably could have done that earlier. Tapped it in.
Hi. Center stand down. And then
You stay both her up pretty good.
we got to get the front end on it.
Let's see. It's bent like a motherfucker. There we go.
We got it on there. Good. All right, so I'm going to lower that down so that it's sitting on center stand. I tell you what, let's hang on.
There's slick.
Yeah, but I want to move it over because it's going to need to be moved over a little bit. So look at the door here.
I mean, how about you get the forks on there and then we'll line it up with the.
Okay.
Instead of trying to line it up with the ramp.
Here you go, Isaac. There's a fork right over there at your feet.
Well, your steering stem isn't tight.
Well, I know.
Cool.
That's why I wanted more than one person here to help.
Here, where's a flathead? Spread it apart. Too much.
Here, spread. Just
I was
spread it.
gonna hold it for you.
You just spread it.